Get the perfect pink pout, your ultimate glossy lip tutorial. Hey besties! Ready to unlock the secret to the juiciest, most kissable pink lips ever? We're diving deep into the world of glossy pink perfection, from prepping your pout to finding your perfect shade. Let's get glowing. First things first, smooth lips are the key to a flawless finish. Grab your favorite lip scrub or DIY one with sugar and honey and gently exfoliate away any dry flakes. Think of it as creating a blank canvas for your masterpiece. Next up, hydration. Slather on a generous layer of your go-to lip balm and let it soak in for a few minutes. This will plump up your lips and create a smooth, moisturized base for your pink lip color. Trust us, this step is non-negotiable. Choosing the right pink is crucial. Think about your skin tone and the vibe you're going for. Light pinks are stunning on fair skin, medium pinks complement olive skin beautifully, and deeper pinks make dark skin absolutely radiant. Not sure where to start? Don't stress. We'll break down some specific shade recommendations for different skin tones later in this tutorial. Get ready to find your signature pink. Now for the fun part, applying your pink lipstick or gloss. For a subtle everyday look, swipe the product directly onto your lips. Easy peasy. Want more precision? Grab a lip brush. This will give you more control and help you create a perfectly defined lip line. Plus, it's a great way to build up the color gradually. The secret to that coveted glossy finish? Lip gloss, of course! Apply a clear or lightly tinted lip gloss over your pink lip color for instant shine. For a plumping effect, focus the gloss on the center of your lips. This will catch the light and make your pout look fuller and more luscious. Hello, volume! Want to take your pink glossy lip to the next level? We've got you covered. Blotting your lips with a tissue can help reduce shine and make the color last longer. Perfect for those long days or nights out. For extra definition, add a tiny dab of highlighter to your Cupid's bow. This will accentuate your lip shape and make your pout pop. Alright, let's get specific. Here are some pink shade recommendations based on different skin tones. Fair skin. Light pinks, baby pinks, and peachy tones are your best friends. Think soft and delicate. Try the Maybelline Lifter Gloss in Silk or Petal for a gorgeous, subtle sheen. Coral pinks, dusty rose, and mauve pinks will look amazing on you. Pinks with hints of brown or caramel are also great options. Avoid super bright fuchsias or pastel pinks, which can wash you out. Dark skin, vibrant and deep pinks like raspberry or soft plum are your go-to shades. Don't be afraid to go bold. These rich colors will make your lips look absolutely stunning. Want to maximize that glossy effect? Here are a few insider tips. Lip gloss is your BFF. Apply 1 or 2 coats of clear or tinted lip gloss over your lipstick. Reapply throughout the day to keep that shine going strong. Start with a creamy or satin lipstick instead of a matte one. Matte lipsticks can be drying and make it harder to achieve a truly glossy finish. Use a shimmery or glittery lip gloss to amplify the shine even more. Get ready to sparkle. Consider using a lip oil for extra hydration and shine. It's like a lip balm and gloss in one. Love a matte lipstick but craving that glossy look? No problem. Here's how to transform your favorite matte shades. Sheer Gloss Magic. Apply a sheer lip gloss on top of your matte lipstick. This will add instant shine without completely changing the color. Shimmery Mix-In. Mix your matte lipstick with a shimmery powder like eyeshadow before applying. Just make sure to moisturize your lips beforehand. Highlighter hack. Dab a cream or liquid highlighter onto your lips after applying lipstick. This will create a subtle, glossy effect. Want to take your pink glossy lip game to the next level? Here are a few extra tips. Lip liner is key. Use a lip liner to define your lip shape and prevent feathering. Choose a color that matches your natural lip color or lipstick shade. Exfoliate regularly. Keep your lips smooth and flake-free by exfoliating regularly. Trust us, it makes a huge difference. Use lip masks for extra hydration. Your lips will thank you. Now you're armed with all the knowledge you need to create the perfect pink and glossy lip. So go ahead, experiment with different shades and techniques, and find what works best for you. Don't forget to tag us in your selfies. We can't wait to see your gorgeous pink pouts. Ready to show off your new look? Follow us for more makeup tips, tricks, and tutorials. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for weekly beauty inspiration. Plus, check out the links provided for exclusive deals on our favorite lip products. Let's get glowing together.